All right, Dill. This is a 1963 Chevrolet Stepside, purple as hell. This is got a 350 small block with a big old Edelbrock carb on it. And I'm gonna put this down so you can get a better shot. Yep, I didn't push it down very far. Anyway, that's the front of it. Here's going down the side. Pretty cool. Big old tires on it at the back. That's the old seat. That's the new seat. Still got a lot of work inside to do. I think it had 3 on the tree at one time, but somebody put a 3 or 4 speed floor shift in it. I ain't worked on that yet. Hopefully it's linkage, because I don't work on transmissions. This is the back. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Chevrolet. This is my oldest son's, youngest son's best friend. Got him a good job and just bought this. Did you get it? Alright, cool. Anyway, that's it. That's my old John Deere tractor.